My name's Kerry. I'm studying primary and early years education at the University of Cumbria here on the Carlisle Fusel campus. Initially, I worked as a journalist for the BBC. I left school at 19 and I did an apprenticeship scheme, so I'd never been to university before. I worked as a journalist for 6 years and then decided that it didn't really suit me anymore. It wasn't fulfilling me, and that I wanted to do something that would allow me to actually make a real difference to people's lives. And the University of Cumbria really offered an excellent degree academically. It gave me my qualified teacher status so I could launch straight into my career afterwards. But also it gave me the Lake District, it gave me Cumbria, it gave me access to Scotland, and that really nice mix of uni lifestyle with that rural twist that I was really excited about. The thing that I enjoyed the most about my studies was actually getting to go out of university and to go on placement and be in schools in the local community and take what I'd been learning in lectures and all of this theory that I'd been gaining and see how that actually applied in the real world. The teaching staff at the university have been amazing. I was really nervous when I started, and the staff were nothing but helpful. They were always an email away. They were always willing to give you 5 minutes at the end of a lecture if you just needed to ask. You've got a lot of academic stuff to keep up with, as well as the pressures that come with going into schools and actually doing the teaching. So it was a big obstacle making sure that I was succeeding at both. I think the moment when everything fell into place for me was during my final placement. It was a big long stint. I was in an amazing primary school and I had a pupil come up to me and she said, "Oh, Miss Burns, I really like it when you teach us maths because you make it really simple." I make no pretense that maths is my favourite subject. It's actually probably the subject that I struggle with the most. So to have a student come up to me, a pupil, and say, "You've actually made that really easy for me to understand," that was when it all clicked into place. The things that I'm doing at uni, they're making me a better teacher, and that genuinely is going to impact actual children. Placement has been an amazing experience, an amazing part of my time at the university. I think this course is unique in that it really does feel at times like you've got that 50-50 balance of in-university lectures and actual hands-on in-school opportunities. I loved every single second of it. It was busy, it was stressful at times, but getting to actually be in school, in the field that I want to go into, it was just really confirming that this is what I want to do.